Today I'm working on raising some shoulders and I need to fix these sleeves up and I just unpicked the sleeves off of the shoulder, as you can see, and you're like, what's this? I always mark where the shoulder seam, so I've got the center so I can line that up. Something else I do, I don't want to mix up my right and my left on my sleeves, and because that's just really bad. Sleeves fit really weird if you do that. So one side I mark with a gold safety pin, the other I mark with a silver, and then on the silver side on the back, I always do it on the back. It doesn't matter where you do it, I just look for it on the back because that's where I do it. So I do silver and gold so that I match up my sleeves. I match them up to the shoulders when it's done. Easy peasy, but oh my, you can really save yourself some headaches if you end up accidentally getting your sleeves put back on the wrong side. Ugh, such a nightmare, and they look so bad. They just look wrong. So there's my tip for today. Oh, also, you can use tailor tacks and just use different colors of tailor tacks if you want, and just do a little tailor tack on the back instead of a safety pin. That works too, but just be sure to mark that center, the top where the shoulder seam is, and mark which side it is. Bye-bye.